Take me.
Hi guys, I have Louis Vuitton unboxing today. They are just small leather goods that I place order in different time. I will explain later. So now let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, let's start with the smallest one. This one I bought because I replaced my old piece that has the rose ballerine in it, because I'm over rose ballerine and that color freaks me out, because I always afraid it will get dirty. So I sold my old piece and I got this new one, the smaller one. This one is the Louis Vuitton 4-key holder in monogram. I opt for the classic one with the brown inside, and this piece is made in France. I hope the camera can pick it up, and it looks like so. And this is the what is that, barcode, code number. I'm sorry guys, as usual my lighting is very bright. It's M62631, so I'm happy with this one. It's more compact and carefree because it has the metal button instead of the leather tap button, and the inside is just classic brown color that I don't have to think about if it's getting dirty or anything like the rose ballerine one. So that's my 4-key holder in monogram. And next is this one. I have ordered this one since maybe a month ago or so. It's quite hard to get because my Louis Vuitton didn't have it, so my SA had to order it from another Louis Vuitton, something like that, and it finally arrived today. So they don't have the smaller box, so they gave me this quite roomy box for this one. This one is the cutest of them all. Is the Louis Vuitton monogram round coin purse. I want to get this one maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but since the shape is round and I'm a bit OCD, at the time I thought the rectangular or the square one will fit into my bag perfectly rather than round, but I kept thinking about it after all, and finally I decided to get this one. I know it's quite hard to get. I don't know if it's applied in every place or whatever, but where I live it's quite hard, and I heard a lot of people say that this one is quite hard to get too. So finally I get one, and it's really cute. It's made in France as well. I hope you can see that. And this is the model number. It's the M61926. Of course you can still get one if you place order with the Louis Vuitton, but I think it will take some time to arrive. So that's my round coin purse in monogram, and it's super cute. Love it. And next, the biggest SLG this time. This I just saw on Instagram. I think maybe 2 weeks ago, and I immediately text my SA if they have one, and luckily they have one. They have two, I think. It just arrived because this is a new release. It's an old model, I mean classic model, but a new release in terms of color. So let's see. So here is my new Emilie wallet in bloom with red interior lining. I love it because it has the metal button, and the zipper pull here is very cute with the flower shape. And most of all, I love it because it has the red interior lining. Louis Vuitton released the first Emilie Bloom, I think in pink interior lining, pink or hot pink. I didn't get that one because I wasn't into pink. I'm more into red these days, and I did purchase an Emilie wallet recently with the monogram and fuchsia lining, but I sold it already the minute I placed order on it because I don't want to have same wallet with different color, and I prefer this one because of the metal button and the red lining with this zipper pull. The classic Emilie wallet has the leather zipper pull, which I think this one is better because it's metal and the flower is thick and more durable comparing to that leather zipper pull, and it's a special piece. It has the 4-card slot as the classic Emilie wallet, a zipper compartment here, a big compartment here with one slip pocket in the front and one on the back. And this one is made in Spain. And this is the model number. I'm sorry guys, it's so bright in here, but I will zoom it out at the end of the video for each of the model number, but I will read it first for you. It's M62941. It's Emilie monogram bloom flower coquelicot. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will leave the color on the screen here. So I will also insert the video when my SA brought me the small leather goods, and she also brought me the Toiletry 26, the summer collection, the limited edition collection. I love that toiletry, but in the limited edition I wasn't into that pattern so much, but in real life honestly it's more beautiful than in pictures. But anyway, since I already have my Toiletry 26, I pass on that, and I only get the Emilie wallet, the round coin purse, and the 4 key holder here. So that's all guys for my unboxing today. Hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.
I've never known and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.